Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and you are watching my YouTube channel on artificial intelligence, a channel where the future meets the present. I'm here to demystify artificial intelligence and explore its incredible potential to transform our world. Whether you are curious about how AI works, its impact on our daily lives, or its role in shaping the future, you have come to the right place. Have you ever wondered how AI is making decisions, driving innovation, or even creating art? Or how it is shaping industries like healthcare, education, and entertainment? On this channel, we don't just talk about AI, we shall dive deep into its possibilities, challenges, and the ethical questions it raises. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily life, and I shall try to make artificial intelligence understandable for everyone. From breaking down technical concepts into simple ideas to discussing the visionary ways AI is revolutionizing the world. This channel is your guide to navigating the AI-driven future. So, if you are ready to explore the fascinating world of AI, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join me as we uncover how this groundbreaking technology works, what it means for us, and how we can harness it responsibly. Welcome to my channel, your gateway to understanding artificial intelligence and its limitless potential. Let's dive in. See you in the next episode on what does intelligence mean. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Khuda Hafiz.